Callie. Callie!
What a dynamic duo, the baby and the dog.
Are you barking at each other?
He's not living.
Looks like this dog takes protecting the baby job seriously.
Okay, stop. We bite him by accident. Nobody could touch your baby.
What a cute little duo sharing a snuggle session. That playful dog is stealing the show with its antics.
Le encantó tu comida.
Well, that's one way to get a checkup at home.
No, Mark, not actually in the glove.
You and me? It's a forever kind of thing.
What a helpful little coach for that stubborn pup. Looks like the dog needs some hula hoop lessons too. What a sneaky little foot massage for the sleeping pup. Looks like the dog's a certified baby whisperer. What a perfect example of nap goals, cuddling with a dog. That dog is the ultimate entertainer for that baby. The struggle is real for this dog leash fashionista.
Can you run?
Looks like the sofa is the ultimate hide-and-seek spot. Well, at least he's persistent in trying to ride that dog.
Oh!
What a dynamic duo on wheels. What a sight! The baby massaging the dog's head. What a pair of adorable little partners in crime. What a precious moment of puppy love and baby cuteness. Look out, Speedy Toddler. That dog's got some competition. Looks like the dog taught her a new trick. Look at him go, like a little doggy chauffeur. What a cute duo playing together. Chair-chewing chaos. Who needs fences when you have playful friends like these? Looks like the dog wants a bedtime story too. Well, that's one way to wake up a dog. What a stylish pup with those hilarious glasses on. What a creative way to entertain the kids at the park. What a sweet moment between the girl and her furry friend. The dog referee is not having any of this fight. What a loyal four-legged bodyguard for the little one. Looks like that dog is the ultimate rule breaker. Well, looks like the dog wants to play too.